Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to look at Windows 11 audio issues. This could also be a game issue. So my issue with audio was playing Helldivers. Whenever I launched the game, I would have crackling or cutting out audio. And so it took me about a day or two to figure out how to fix this. So let's get started. This also seems to be a Windows 11 issue, so specifically if you have Windows 11, you might want to look into this if you have any audio issues. So the first thing you want to do is go to Bluetooth and other device settings. Just type in blue and it should be the first option. Next, you want to navigate down to the option that says more devices and printer settings. Once that comes up, you want to find your audio device. So I'm using Beat Studio 3 wireless and it's connecting to my Bluetooth adapter. You're going to right click on the audio device you're trying to fix and you're going to go to properties. And then you want to go to services here. And normally all of these are going to be checked for you. So some of the videos I watched, pretty much all of them, told you to disable hands-free telephony. So this is basically if your headset has a call option, you're going to turn that off so only audio will be coming to your headset. That worked at first to increase the quality of my audio. So in game I had very bad audio quality, and once I turned off hands-free telephony, the audio was cutting in and out, and I only got about 20% of the audio. So the way to fix this, guys, if you only want audio and basically to turn volume up and down and make your headset work, is just turn off all the settings you don't need. The only two settings I found that you need are audio sync and remote control. So yeah, that's it, guys. After you change that setting, you should be good to play your game, play Helldivers, watch videos without it cutting out or being bad quality. So yeah, have a good one, guys.